Hello daddy, hello mommy, hello auntie, hello uncle, my brothers and sisters wey dey live around Mantova province for Lombardia region. Pick your call o. Nigeria community Mantova in Italy calling Grin na seminar combined with lecture to take mark this year 2022 Nigeria independence anniversary. Theme: Nigeria 2023 election. The role of Nigerians in Diaspora. Special guest of honor is Excellency Mfawa Omini Abam, Ambassador of Federal Republic of Nigeria to Italy. Guest of honor Antonella Forattini, Camera dei Deputati. Host Abolaji Festus, Adedayo, MICMC. President, Nigeria Community Mantova. Guest speaker Victoria Oluboyo, City Councilor of Parma, and Adebola Osinowo, Mr. Topic: Advocacy on Diaspora voting, exploit of Nigerians in internal politics, socio-political integration of Nigerians in the diaspora, a factor in contributing to the Nigerian socio-economic development. Date: 29 October 2022. Time: 2 p.m. prompt. Hooray! It happen gidigba. Auditorium ex Saponificio via Ronaldo Mantova. Una welcome o. Make we not forget the oga kpatakpata for this story o. From 9 a.m. to 12 noon, Nigeria Consular Service go shele for the venue. You want to do your BVN, Abina NIN, just call this number for your screen to register your name and any question where you get